now, ladies and gentlemen, let us call on the most controversial journalist here in the Philippines. Needing no introduction, the controversial, the fearless, the energetic, ladies and gentlemen, the snowstorm, Snow Bagua! Prepare for this bout, Saldi Lopez, please get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready with your cameras. Let us proceed with the introduction. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner wearing black with white. Official weight, 196 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, he's been training for this bout. Ladies and gentlemen, he stated for the basketball community. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a former basketball player, now a basketball coach, fighting out of Olivetti Boxing Gym of Bingan Rizal, introducing Carlos Fedekito. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner wearing red with blue, official weight 187 pounds. Since making a lot of controversy in social media and the mainstream media, he ended up here facing Carlos Fedekito. Ladies and gentlemen, needing no introduction, the fearless, the snowstorm, Snow Bagua! And now, to give instructions, here's referee Saldi Lopez. We have amateur rules, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, Snow, Carlos, this is 3 rounds of amateur boxing, so the amateur rules apply. So I expect a good, clean fight. Protect yourself at all times. Good luck to both of you. That's gloves. God bless.
All right, here we go. Snow Bagua versus Carlos Fedekito. Might as well make some noise. Number one. Seconds out. Seconds out. Round number 2. Last 10 seconds! Last 10 seconds! Last 10 seconds! End of the round, number 2. Third and final round! Minus Monkey Guy! Here it is. Third and final round. Ibang sport yan tayo na. Hamilton. Nagkabawian mga kaibigan. Last 10 seconds. And on the bout. Wow. This is Nagbasagan versus Carlos Ferreira. We will go to the decision, but before anything else, a round of applause for these two warriors. They settle it like a man here inside the ring. Hindi po lahat magagawa yan. Marami pong matatapak sa social media, pero hindi kayang pangatawanan sa totoong buhay. Pero sila nagpalitan ng mukha. 3 rounds dito sa taas ng ring, mga kaibigan. Baka pumayakap yung round girl. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here are the judges' decision. After 3 rounds of amateur boxing, the score is 28-27. Winner on points. Red corner, Snow Papa. 28-27. Winner on points is the Snowstorm Bagua. Alright, so I'm here now. We will just let him celebrate for a bit. But cameras, please get ready. Yung camera natin, yeah, the camera.